Planning goals on your time machine.
Put the front to the back. Watch your step. I'm gonna hang out right there.
Your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle, and please watch your shoulders.
All right, look, we're speaking English. All right.
Sliding doors in your time machine will close automatically.
Look, the door's about to close for us.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle, and please watch your children.
All right, we're about to go up the hill.
Remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all
Did that hurt? I'm sorry.
Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're from.
Oh, look.
Time travel towards.
Show us where you live. We live here. Right here, it's going to take our picture, okay?
Overhead to the right. Make sure your face is clearly visible and wait for the flash. Good. Sending photos in the future. All systems are go. Linking you now to your guide.
Like a grand and miraculous spaceship, our plan to sail through the universe of time. And for a brief moment, we have been among its passengers.
Look at all the stars, Margaret.
Will be discovered. Surprisingly, the answers lie in our past. Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow.
Wow.
Here, in this hostile world, is where our story begins. We are alone, struggling to survive, until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can hunt the team and survive together. It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next bright idea, recording our knowledge on cave walls. There was only one small problem. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian pounding reeds man is inventing papyrus, a sort of paper. Papyrus in turn creates better record keeping, plans, designs, and unfortunately access. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilization. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, trained in writing, absolutely not. They create a simple common alphabet, adaptable to its language. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? Like the Phoenicians. They invented it.
Ladies and gentlemen, our time travels have been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving again at any moment. Please remain seated. We'll resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
We enjoy today.
It's just paused for a second. They're probably trying to load somebody in or something.
Please remain seated. Your vehicle will begin moving immediately. Remain seated, please. Our travel is resuming now.
Is your phone still on?
With lessons learned from the Greeks, the Romans created powerful empires. To move their armies around, they built a system of roads all over the known world. Rome took the first worldwide road and leading us into the ocean. But then we hit a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. All so risky. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change. In 1350, Gutenberg invented movable type printing presses. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these movers, and travel they do. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation called the Renaissance.
Oh, look at the guy painting in the ceiling like that. See? Look at the kind of improvements there. These are not bad. What do you think? Paint is that cool, man?
Now communication technology races headlong into the future, and soon people all over the world are sharing life's most important moments faster than ever before.
Today, June 19, 1928, will forever be known as the day that she flew across the Atlantic and into the hearts of people around
watching the TV.
To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. Of course, very large, very expensive computers, but we see the potential. Everyone could have one of these amazing machines in their own house. There's just one problem. There is visa. The solution comes, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new revolution.
Yeah. It's kind of cool, isn't it?
After 2,000 years of time, here we are, a truly global community, poised to shape the future of the nation. Our spaceship
Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time traveler. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward.
We're gonna see something on the screen right here in a minute. Look at all the stars though. Isn't that cool? do your hand thing, Moana.
For the first time in history,
Nice. Do you know where we're
what
going?
else can ever say about the kind of world we want to live in? The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn.
Huh? You're worried?
Let's have some fun creating the future,
Look.
shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us.
Alright, we're gonna
Then
answer a
we'll
few
show
questions,
you a
okay?
new world, custom made just for you.
What are you most interested in? Home, work, health, or leisure? Like having fun?
Leisure.
Okay? Which sounds like more fun? Undersea or outer space?
What does undersea mean?
Like under the ocean? Or outer space?
Undersea.
What type of person are you? Do you like to plan things or do you like to just wing it and go with the flow?
Play.
Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology.
Which do you enjoy more, the journey or the destination?
What's a destination?
Like where you're going? Do you like just being there or do you like the trip getting there? Why is it not clicking it? There we go. Where would you like to live in the future? In the city or in the country? Alright. When on vacation, what do you worry about the most? Do you worry about your pet or your house? Pet?
Because Alberta really needs food.
How do you want to travel in the future, with solar power or wind power? Wind.
Well done.
All right.
Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about.
Look, they're drawing our future for us.
And now I believe your future is just about ready.
Check
Let's
this out.
take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I
Oh,
say,
there's Margaret.
your future.
And there's Daddy.
How does it know
Here in your future,
It just does.
getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need.
Look at that.
And with wind power from your home fueling station, you're off.
Look at us.
You won't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots. You'll leave your city home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere.
Hey, look at us.
With your virtual travel agent. Hotels, check. Restaurants, check. Guided tours, check. You'll never get bored on the journey because your car's holographic gaming technology keeps you connected to friends back home.
Isn't that cool? I love that we're flying in our spaceship
Travel
together.
quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you can dive right in to the future.
Whoa. They took us on a vacation to under the sea.
The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
Wow, that video is playing. We went from the very top of the big ball to the very bottom.
Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do,
Here, you
I
hold
do know
this.
it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that will take.
So we went from the very top all the way back down to the bottom just now.
See you in the future.
backwards?
Backwards. Isn't that something else?
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow.
All right, I think
where
your
new ideas
side might be the one that opens
are
up.
being developed to make the world a better place.
Your vehicle doors will open automatically.
On that side,
Please
okay?
keep your hands away from the doors and step carefully off the moving platform.
All right, here we go. There we go. All right, keep walking though. We gotta keep moving. Careful right there. Careful.